Hey y'all, we're fixing to cook something really good. It is creamy Cajun pasta. It's got a little bit of chicken, a little sausage in it, and hey, y'all come along with us. It's gonna be good.
The bayou gives you everything you need, no matter what's cooking or who you're gonna feed. Come along and you will see. Hang up your hat, kick off your boots, pull up a chair, there's a room for you. Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man on the bayou.
Hey y'all, we're gonna season up this chicken. All this is boneless chicken thighs. Okay, we're gonna throw a little bit of Cajun seasoning on it, not a lot. Then we're gonna put some of this garlic powder on here. I like this garlic powder. It makes good flavor. Plus, you're talking about it makes a good crunchy crust on here, and I like that too. All right, little black pepper. All right, throw a little oil down in here. Let her rip. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all, while this is cooking, we're gonna cut up some of this sausage. This is just that country pleasing sausage. Sausage they actually make right up the road here, and it's definitely good. Definitely good. I like it for breakfast, everything. I always eat these tips. Notice I'm cutting it in thin pieces. We're gonna drop that on there. It's already cooked, really. This is smoked sausage. You could eat it just like this cold, but we're gonna heat it up. When you heat it up, it kind of brings the flavors out in it. All right, y'all, come on over here. We're gonna throw this down. Let this start browning a little bit. Got to flip my chicken. All right, y'all, all this is looking pretty good, so you don't get back over here. Now I'm fixing to throw my noodles down. So I will put a little oil on here so they don't stick. All this is, y'all, is linguine pasta. It's already cooked. All we're gonna do is dump it on here, let it get hot, squirt some water on it, steam it up, and we'll be ready to go. All right, we're fixing to put that magic ingredients on here. Let me scatter this out a little tiny bit. Y'all, watch here. Steam it. Something I do recommend out here, once you get it like this, I'm gonna turn it over. Okay, I'm gonna squirt it one more time with a little water. Then we're gonna put a dome on it. We got our noodles cooking under here. This is just about done. As soon as it gets done, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, about forgot something. Butter. Butter makes it better, baby. We're just gonna drop a whole stick right there. A few minutes, it'll be melted. All right, y'all. Lift this dome up. Oh, that's looking pretty. Look at that. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna bring it over here. Mix all this in. We got more ingredients. Y'all watch this. Oh, hang on. Sun-dried tomatoes, y'all. We're gonna use a little bit of the oil and the tomatoes. That oil is just, it's full of flavor. All right, y'all, we're gonna mix this in. The reason I like to mix everything and keep mixing it is just to keep the flavor running through it. Time to put a little whipping cream on here. Y'all, this would change everything right here. Watch this. Y'all, this is gonna be super good. We're fixing to add some baby spinach to this. You know, I ain't real big on this, but we're gonna drop a little bit. It's gonna wilt down. It won't be that bad. Let me mix this in before I lose. All right, look at that. All right, y'all, we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese right here. Gotta load it up with this stuff. Y'all can buy the fancy cheese if you want, but this is just as good, and this is what I had. All right, y'all, we're gonna mix this up in a couple minutes. It'll be ready to eat. Boy, is that pretty or what, y'all? Let me get a fork and a knife. Ooh-wee. A little bit of everything. No, this is good. But, hey, you can't make it the way you want. You can add more vegetables if you like vegetables, more seasoning. Just make it however your family likes it. This is something you can make in just a few minutes and feed the whole family. So, y'all know me, I gotta eat.